Well, we're getting another storm, as if we didn't have enough snow already. There's my moped pretty much buried up, and our picnic table and the fence, and holy crap, there's snow everywhere. It's quite deep. I brought out my tape measure. Brought my tape measure with me, and there's a snow bank that was already there. That's about 2 feet, and we're supposed to get another 30 centimeters, 30 to 50 centimeters today, so we're gonna have a hell of a pile of snow. Whoa, that's hard to walk in too. Well, it's about 8 o'clock in the evening, and probably about 10 hours later, 9-10 hours later, and it's quite a lot worse out here. Actually, it might not be worse, but it's just as bad. It hasn't really let up. I don't know if you can hear that wind, see that mess, but jeez. That's supposed to let up by morning anyway, so anyway, I guess I'm going to go back in. I was going to take a walk, but the snow's still pretty deep, so no walk for me tonight. Well, I decided to go for a quick walk after all, and the wind really picked up. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo! Check out this drift. Partway across the road. That house there has snow right up to the friggin' windows. We haven't had snow like this in a long time. I mean, we usually do get some pretty bad winters, but this is worse than it's been for a while. But the roads are pretty clear anyway, except for the drift here and there, but not that bad. Anyway, I'm gonna go in. There comes some more wind. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside, get out of this mess. Ooh, baby.